Hey guys, so today I'm gonna unbox a Kaja beauty unboxing. This is from Memebox Corporation. I think it's like their platform where they collab with influencers. Well, not really. I guess that's the name of their corporation, but the brand is called Kaja Beauty or Kaja. It's a Korean brand, so. I already tried their products before. They sent me few, so last year I think, a few months ago, so I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so these are clay bento blendable sculpting trios. These are face products which I've never tried before, only their eyeshadow bentos and eyeliner. So I was intrigued. I was like, sign me up, girl. And obviously there's two different shades. So this one's the Dolce Cappuccino, and this one's the Sugar Cookie. So this is for very fair porcelain ladies, and this is for olive to deeper skin tone ladies. And I think I'm in between. Like I'm not like a white porcelain blue eyes with freckles kind of girl like the model they showed reference, and this girl, she was very olive tan skin tone. She was like an Asian Pacific Islander lady, so it was like definitely not so dark but not too light. So I was like, just give me both. I can't tell what my shade is. I struggle with shade matching. So they did send me both, which thank you, Kaja. So let's see which one matches my face. Let's see. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, it looks like the traditional eyeshadow bento box, but obviously this is bigger. So okay, I love the packaging. So see, Sugar Cookie. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it here, and I'm gonna swatch it on my face today. I don't have anything, just a little bit powder. Okay, so let's see. Oops, the plastic fell because I have a fan. It's hot, so ooh, it comes with a mirror. Okay, so it's a pretty shade. Okay, you see, I think it's a good shade for me. Let's see. And this second layer is the plastic. Okay, it's a highlighter. Yes, this highlighter is meant for me, for my skin tone. Yes. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and the last trio part. Oh, it's like a cream bronzer. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So you see it's light, and we'll see. Okay, so let me show you the other one in case y'all are interested. Obviously I think I can pull off that one and this one. I'm not sure, but oh, this one comes out in a darker shade. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, that's the back, the shade. I like that it's big for people that are blind like me. They make it so obvious. Like, thank you. I prefer that when brands write everything big. Okay, so okay, this is the first. Oh, you see it's like a more plummy, darker shade than the other one. And cool. Okay, the highlighter shade, let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit more golden, a little bit more darker than the other one. So wait, but I think I can still use this one. It's a little bit too dark for me, but it's doable, I think. Okay, and the last, okay, yeah, this one may be too dark now that I'm thinking. Yeah, the other one might be better for me. This one's a little too dark, but I feel like this is too light for deeper skin tones. I feel like if you're medium or olive skin tone, it will work for you, but if you're a deeper complexion, this looks too light. I don't know, we'll see. But this is basically it. Okay, let me just put a side by side again in case y'all are interested and are like me, the struggle with shade matching. So this is the lightest one, and this is for fair ladies. This is for olive tan skin tone ladies. So you see it's lighter than this one's darker. So okay, the next slide round. Oops. No, I ruined it. Okay, this is the light and this is the dark. You see, it's not so much of a difference, but it is there. It's more golden and it's more champagne-y white. Okay, so in the last row is, and it's so cute, the packaging is so fun. Okay, so good film. Okay, see the lightest contour shade and this is the dark. Okay, you see, like I think this is too light for me, this one's too dark. I'm in between, they don't have a shade for me, so I probably have to mix and match. Yeah, but you see, okay, this pretty much it for the side by sides comparisons. Yeah, I can know which shade to choose, because trust me, I will search online like swatches or side by side. It's easier for me. So I want to help other people like that are shopping online. They're like, I need to see an actual person showing me, right? So okay, so that's what I'm gonna do for y'all today. Okay, so that felt so. I'm gonna start with the lightest shade on this side, and on the other side the dark shade. So I'm gonna put like a little bit of foundation or base, a little. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, yay, I put a little bit of foundation, not so much, from Electrónico. I just lost the foundation I used. What? Oh, it's right here. This one in the shade what, nude. So yeah, great. It's a good foundation. Okay, so now finally I'm gonna test out these. Okay, so I'm gonna use sugar cookie on my left side, which is probably your right, I don't know. And then on my right side of my face, I'm gonna use Dolce Cappuccino. Okay, first let me record this and take pictures. Sorry.